Hey guys, so it's July 20th, 2023. It is officially my 30th birthday today, and here I am drinking my Amare Happy Juice. Now, this stuff is amazing. It gives me just the right amount of energy I need to get through my day so that I'm not tired at all. And it literally does. I don't get tired until 10 p.m. And it gives me lots of motivation and determination, especially when it comes to my son. It gives me the will and the determination and the motivation to want to be around him more and to want to play with him more. Which is good, because with my anhedonia, to be honest, I just don't want to do anything. I force myself to do things because I have to, but honestly, with it and without this, I just wouldn't want to do anything. And with this stuff, I'm doing lots of how-to videos, I'm doing lots of singing videos, and I'm doing a lot of beadwork. And I'm now offering beading lessons online on YouTube. So this stuff is amazing. If you have anything going on with your serotonin or dopamine, I would highly recommend it because it's for balancing out serotonin and dopamine in your gut. And there's a large connection between the serotonin and dopamine in your gut and the serotonin and dopamine in your brain. And the other thing I'm noticing with this stuff too is it's seriously clearing up my acne. Now I am using Paula's Choice Liquid Exfoliant on my skin as well, which is really helping to clear up my acne. But I think it's a combination of the Amare and the Paula's Choice that's clearing up my acne. My face looks so much better right now compared to what it did a couple months ago. Like the last few days, I've been wearing just eye makeup and a little bit of highlighting powder. I don't even wear blush anymore. I just wear highlighting powder instead. If I turn my cheek, you can kind of see how it's highlighted a little bit.